Welcome to the first card opening review of the Desert Storm Proc packs. Let's get this thing started. Some shit up here. What way are they gonna open? Okay. Remember, 1, 2, throw this one out. All right. Oh, George Herbert Walker Bush, first draw.
Starting off strong.
Poland. All right. M1 Abrams tank. That's pretty sweet. Hand signals. That's like a trainer card. The infantrymen. Oh, Dick Cheney. What a pull. This is pretty sweet. Japan. That's Mount Fuji. What we got there? The FA-18 Hornet. It looks like it's underwater. I don't think it's supposed to be there.
The horizontal cards.
Yeah. The Spruance class destroyer. Destroyer God. And the Department of State. Very sweet. That's a good first pack there. We got the president and the vice president. Well, not vice president at the time, but I think Secretary of Defense. Those are pretty good pools. I'm hanging up the Dick Cheney, that's for sure. That's pretty badass. All right, I'm pleasantly surprised with what we got there. On to the second. That was because I did the 1, 2. Oh, what? I think it's opening different ways now. All right, 1, 2. All right, Javier Perez de Pilar, leader of the UN. Badass. Portugal. Geography. In Europe, for those who don't know. What we got there? The F4G Wild Weasel. That's badass. Navigation. What a broad term. Journalism. You're almost going to be going to school for that.
Almost.
His Majesty King Hussein the First.
Hey.
That's pretty badass. I like those glasses. Canada. There we have the Mounties there.
Where is it?
Above us. Ooh. The FB 111 Aardvark. Pretty cool. And the USS Saratoga. Fighting ship. And the United States Military Academy at West Point. My brother has a friend who went to West Point.
Shout out to him.
Yep. Alright. What do we think the best card is from this one? Probably, navigation. Navigation's pretty cool.
Isn't it?
That was a good one. Not quite as good as the first, though.
Dick Cheney.
What a hero.
Enough said.
Enough said. Alright. 1, 2. I think it has a little, like, cheat codes in the back.
Oh, what those?
Flags. Alright. Spain.
Yo.
We have the entire Iberian Peninsula now. That's pretty wild. Niger. Country in Africa. Bombs. Bombs, ladies and gentlemen. Courtesy. I don't know what that's a military skill.
Ideal.
That's saluting. The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge of allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and for the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, for justice and all. I'm gonna be honest, I slept through every Pledge of Allegiance this year. Taiwan, also known as Eastern China. Part of China, it's not its own country. Luxembourg. The C-130 Hercules. Look at that pretty shot of the USS Midway, and I think, is that a lightning storm going on up there?
Yep.
A little thunder action.
Yo.
Big Ben.
That's
Read
the crazy. Read the card.
The United Kingdom system. What the hell? What's the United Kingdom system?
Big Ben card goes crazy.
Yeah, we had some pretty good draws on here. We had Taiwan, the United Kingdom system, Big Ben also known as, and the Pledge of Allegiance, which turns out I can't do. Not very American of me. But again, I have a few people who can attest that I probably slept through every single one this year. No Saddam Hussein yet, but we're
We're
working on
down
it.
2 to go. No hollows yet either.
Also, I want to let it be known we are sponsored by the Gnomes tonight. Go pick up your gnomes at IKEA and Walmart. There's a lot at IKEA, certain kinds of beer. They call them little Santa Clauses, but they're not. All right, on to the fourth one. God, this is embarrassing. Dude, you're the lighting guy. You can't be doing that. All right.
Dude, this guy needs fire.
Oh, Spain. We
Oh,
already
dupes.
had that.
No.
Dude, this is the same pack. Niger. We haven't had the tornado
Okay,
yet.
there we go. There we go.
This is the same one. Courtesy? Journalism? Okay. Who's selling us these
Okay,
packs?
you need to hold these cards still, buddy.
I'm sorry. This is a... Okay, I'll take a double Taiwan pool. That's pretty good. Oh my God, what is happening? Luxembourg?
No. The Hercules.
What do we got here? The Oliver Hazard Perry class frigate. I'm actually distantly related from this guy on my dad's side. That's in God's honest truth. I actually am. Go ask my dad. He's downstairs. And then Big Ben again. I'm going to give this to a fan.
Hey, like, subscribe, and comment, and we will be picking a winner on August 10th.
Yep. That's a few days from now.
Give him I upload this before August 10th.
I'm going to give Spain to the random homeless guy in the street. Alright,
No.
final one.
We'll also be getting red stickers.
Get some
We're going to pray in Dom Toretto on this one.
yes
On family.
on family for Saddam.
Okay. That did not go through.
That's the bad
You
stuff.
sharpen the knife. You sharpen the knife. Had it for a few years now. It's a good knife. Oh my God. I'm not good at this.
Your feet are in the frame. So you're a terrible
All right.
cameraman.
United Nations Security Council. That's pretty solid. Ooh, Afghanistan. What a draw.
Yo!
What a draw.
That's a top 5 country if I've ever seen one.
Hawk guided missile system. That's pretty
That
badass.
is very cool.
Recognition cards.
And
That's
calling
like what we've got here. We've already did that.
Gotta do it again.
All right. I pledge of allegiance to the flag. Amen.
Amen.
James Baker. I don't know who that guy
Is
is.
that a leader card?
Yeah.
Hey.
Ooh, Argentina.
Hey.
Is it like 1 leader card per pack?
Oh no.
Oh, no, not James.
Dude.
A6 Intruder. Pretty okay. And then is that the ICAC? That's not bad. And the Arabic language. That's all we got. No Saddam Hussein card. But on the first pack, that was a pretty wild Dick Cheney
Yeah.
and George H.W. Bush.
Yeah. Especially for George starting us off too.
Yeah. What guys? What guys?
Yep. Now, should we put the best ones out on a plate?
Probably. With JFK in there. We got
Yeah.
2 presidents on this thing now.
Yeah.
Alright. Dick, obviously. HW. Alright, Pledge of Allegiance, obviously, going on there. It's a strong one. I think I remember this deck had a few good ones. Big Ben in Taiwan, there we go.
Here we go. Big Ben on the American plate feels a little wrong.
Yep, also in memoriam, John Fitzgerald Kennedy. November 22nd, 1963, what a sad day for the country.
Never forget.
Never forget. You have any words to say, lighting guy? You seem to want to say that.
Okay, I
Whoa.
My knee off.
Alright, is this all over?
think
The
it
cards
is.
about Afghanistan.
Oh shoot, we did get Afghanistan.
I'm gonna cut the video back. We're gonna go look through all the cards and see if there's any other sleepers we forgot about. We'll be right back.
Alright, and we got the handy dandy magnifying glass to look at the pools of the day. Let's start off with Big Ben. Ooh, look at that. Look at those hour hands. There's only one of them. I gotcha. Alright, let's see what it says. United Kingdom. Type. Constitutional monarchy. National holiday, June 16th. Head of state, Queen Elizabeth II. No longer, I'm afraid. Prime Minister John Major. No longer, I'm afraid. Political parties: Conservative, Labor, Liberal, Social Democratic. Suffrage universal. Woo!
Hey.
Taiwan. Woo! Look at that. All right. Geographic area: 13,885 square miles. Population: 20.5 million. Language: Mandarin Chinese. Predominant religion: I can't read. Capital: Taipei. It's a one-party government type. And then President Lee Teng-hui. All right. It's pretty sweet. Pledge of Allegiance. Oh, it doesn't have it in the back.
That's disappointing.
Let's read the lore about it, though. The Pledge of Allegiance was first published in a weekly magazine for boys, Youth Companion, on September 8th, 1892. Since its publication, several minor but significant changes have been made. After a lengthy debate over authorship, the Library of Congress gave credit in 1957 to Francis Bellamy, who had been a member of the magazine's editorial staff. All right, Francis, good work. George H.W. Bush, President of the United States. Frat guy, it looks like. After graduating Phi Beta Kappa in 3 years from Yale University, Bush became an oil executive in Texas. He was elected to the U.S. House of Representatives in 1966 and was the U.S. Representative to the United Nations in 1970, head liaison officer to China in 1974, director of the CIA in 1976, and vice president to the Ronald Reagan in 1980 before becoming president in 1988. For Operation Desert Storm, he was the leader of the coalition.
Am I seeing that birthday right?
Let me look at that. Whoop. You share a birthday with this guy.
Hey,
show yourself.
Hey,
June
yes,
12th.
Sir.
1924, so a good 80 years before you.
Yep.
80 years older than you.
Sounds about right.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
All right, let's get to
Georgie.
Dick Cheney. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Whew.
That's a nice angle.
What a man. After serving on the staff of President Nixon, Cheney was elected congressman from Wyoming in 1978. He was appointed Secretary of Defense by President Bush in 1989 and has been very effective in instituting new policies and overseeing the military. With his wife Lynn, he wrote a book, Kings of the Hill, 1983.
King of the Hill reference?
Yep, this guy is a propane salesman. With propane and propane accessories.
Not sponsored.
Yeah. But we would take a sponsorship.
I agree.
Born in Lincoln, Nebraska, birthday of January 30th. You know anybody birthday of January 30th?
Let us know down in the comments if
Yeah.
you got a birthday of January 30th.
Who knows? You might get a card from this pack.
Probably not that one, though.
Not this one, no. Education. Bachelor's from the University of Wyoming. Doesn't say what. Sweet.
Probably like communications.
All right. The Arabic language. Turns out I can't read it. So let's go to Afghanistan. 250,000 square miles. Population of almost 16 million. Languages: Pushto, Dari, and Persian. Predominant religion: Islam, Sunni. Capital of Kabul. Government type:
Wait.
communist regime supported by Soviet forces. That's not true anymore. President of government: President Mohammed Najibullah. That's an attempt there. All right, who cares about their lore? So this is the draw of the day. What's wrong with them?
You can't just say that.
I can't read Arabic.
Who cares about their lore?
I can't read Arabic.
It's just weird. What's wrong with them? How are you no different than...
Well, you can't be name dropping on the channel.
Oh my bad.
Look at
Well,
this.
this is gonna be cut out anyways.
I'll bleep out her name, but
That's not getting cut out.
no, put it between his arms.
Oh no! Oh, his stiffies out. Cover it. Oh God!
God.
Cut out! Cut out!
We gotta go. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Run! done. We're done.
Oh no!
We're done.
Anything else you'd like to say?
We're done. All I want to say.